What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I finally got some clear pictures of the 2020 wide body Charger. And I know in my last video I was kind of critical of the wide body, but I must say, man, after seeing these pictures, I'm kind of changing my my outlook on the wide body. It looks like Dodge did change up a little bit on the front. As you see, as we look at this picture, it looks like they didn't stray too far away from the current body as far as the front fascia, but it is a little different. I don't see the little inlets like on the new Chargers. It don't look like they put the inlets in this wide body, this current concept wide body Charger, because I don't see, matter of fact, I don't even see the badge, the SRT badge on this grill. So again, this is definitely a concept model we're looking at, but at the same time, they definitely changed it up a little bit. And I'm happy to see that. Even though in my last video, I was a little critical of the wide body, because first of all, the video wasn't that clear. Didn't look like the fenders were that wide, but looking at this picture, you can definitely see that they molded the flares a little more into the body instead of looking like it's bolted on there, like something you can just buy anywhere and they just put it on the car. So I definitely like the fact that they did that. And let's just check out some more of the pictures. Now this side view, it looked like the rims look a little different. It looks like the dynamic package wheels, the ones you would get on the Scat Pack if you was to get the dynamic package, but at the same time, they look a little bit different. They're not going to put those same wheels that they put on the wide body Challenger, because I just think they definitely need to switch up the wheels a little bit for the Charger wide body. But for the most part, man, I'm liking what I see, especially this front view right here. It looks a little different. They kept the same lights, which is a good thing because I really like the lights on the Chargers. But it looks like when you look right here, these are a little wider than on the current model. They definitely changed that up. But I'm surprised I don't see like a SRT badge on here, or the little Hellcat badge. I guess once they finish the final product, they would do that. And also it looks like the tires are wide. If you look at the tires right here, they look a little wide, so that's a good thing. So hopefully it'll be at least 305s or 315s all the way around. And with this wide body, I would think they would at least put 305s on this car. So it's looking good, man. I'm definitely changing my tone a little bit as far as how the wide body looks. I'm kind of impressed. I wasn't at first when I saw it from the last clip that I had on my last video. I wasn't impressed by it, but this is looking a little better. Again, they didn't stray too far away from the current body. Like I said before, I hoped that they didn't do that, but at least they did switch it up a little bit, because I was worried that they was just going to just try to pop some fenders on there. But I got these pictures from I got these pictures off of Instagram. But we're gonna go to Mopar Insiders, and this is why I first discovered that the pictures were out. And I really like this website because they give you a lot of good information on what's going on with Dodge currently. Now all the FCA stuff, they're really good on keeping you updated to what's going on. So again, here they got some more pictures. And like I say, man, I'm kind of digging what I see, but again, I want to wait and really see it in person to really make my decision whether or not they did a good job. But yeah, I'm changing my opinion about it. Yep, I am. And one thing about me, if I feel like I need to change my mind, I will. I'm not ashamed to say when, I'm wrong, or if I change my mind. It's all good. And again, the main thing I like, man, is these wheels. They definitely look wider. And with this wide body, you gotta put bigger tires on here or the car will look funny looking. And looks like Dodge definitely did that. So that's a good thing, man. As I get more information or any more videos come out, I'll definitely post something. I just want to see it with a solid color, not with this cover up wrap they got on the car. Because if this is what Dodge is actually going to come out with, it might do good. You know, shoot, I might even think about getting me one now. Even though before I was a little skeptical, but these photos definitely changed my mind, and this is definitely going to be a big deal when this wide body come out, man. So again, maybe I shouldn't have spoke so soon, but hey, it's all good. So if this is your first time joining my channel, man, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, man. I appreciate y'all tuning in. Until next time, man, I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.